Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shayna from Kaiyuni Kreations. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for all of you who have been with me from the start, and to my new subscribers, welcome. Today we're going to start with our Valentine's series. And I'm actually going to do a gift card holder. This is another season for giving your loved ones, gifts and so on. So today we're going to use a die cut in the shape of a coffee cup, and let's make that into a gift card holder. Okay, everyone, these are just two examples of the ones that I made. I am going to make one of these in this tutorial so you can see, but just to flip through them, they're absolutely gorgeous. They're shaped like a coffee cup. So if you've got a coffee lover in your life, this is perfect. You go ahead and you stick your gift card in here, and then you slip it in. And voila, beautiful gift. I just thought they were so neat. So we're gonna make one of these, this one I think, for this tutorial so you can see how it's done, and I hope you like it. So I do have the dies here. I actually got these off of Amazon, and I could put the link down below if anyone is interested. But there are quite a few pieces here to it, so we're going to get into making it. The paper stack I'm going to use, it is Moonstruck in pink paisley. And we just do a quick flip through so I can pick some that match. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and New Year. Can you believe it's 2024 already? So we've got another one here. I'm actually going to go ahead and take this out because I may need it. And then I'm going to use this one for the insert. So I'm going to use these three. Never mind all these things over here. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Big Shot. We're going to go ahead and start cutting these out. I hope I am in frame. And you'll see all the pieces coming together pretty soon. I'm going to go ahead and do this one here. All right. So let's go ahead and get this in. Ooh, that sounds not so good. Let's see if we're okay here. All right, so we did come out. My plates are a little bit warped. I've had them for a while. And I'm going to use, this is the front part, and you'll see in a minute how it all comes together. I really wish they would make these things bigger, so oh, it's not correct. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this in. Okay. So we've got the second shape here. And then I am going to use the solid color. This is going to be a little cross band over the cup, as well as the top of the cup, the lid. And we've got this little piece here. So hopefully this contrasts with the hearts paper. Let's run this through quickly. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to get me some new plates. So we've got these pieces here. This one came out. And what I'm actually going to do is pull another one of these out. I think there are 2 in each of these little packets. I think we're going to need the second one because I've got to do the back part. So this is the tie-dye. Not that one. Well, I hope I have another one. Okay. Well, I thought I had 2 of those. This can't be right. Just hold a second. There it is. So we're going to do the big part now. So this is just a solid part that comes out. We'll separate that later on. And I think I want to actually go ahead and just do this little circle here. We'll see if we use it or not. It's a lot of parts of this little coffee cup here. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this. I only want this here. Okay. All right, I think we've got everything, so I'm going to go ahead and put this away. And let's get to work. All right, so we've got this part here, which you could actually fold. I don't know if you can see it along the creases here, but I'm going to fold this back. Then we have the bottom. Got our little circle. We have the base, which I do need to separate out. Okay. Separate out this part. This is the lid. And then we've got this part here. Oh, come on. There we go. And of course, this one here. So I think we've got all the pieces together. I don't know where my glue is. You can use liquid glue or wet glue. And then we just put the parts together. So this is the back. And as you can see, it just wraps around. Right, and folds in here. And then we're just going to glue it down. I'm actually going to use my Scott's glue because I cannot find my liquid glue right now, my reptile glue. So we're going to go ahead and use, this is pretty strong too. So we're just going to go ahead and get that down. Need to get my bone folder. And just let that stick down for a minute. So you can see it is coming along. So you've got a little cup part here. I'm going to use this little Elmer's glue for now. Hopefully it'll hold a little. Because I can't find my craft glue. All right, so you just make sure that sticks down. So now we have the insert. So this part here, this is actually where the card goes. You have a little slit there and on this one here. So you put a card in here and then you slide this in here. And then now you have the top of the cup. You have this band that goes across the front. And then of course we fit these in here. So we're going ahead and put this together. So this goes across the top here. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. Actually goes the other way. This way. I probably should use a different color for this. Well, we're going to go with this one. I think we're missing a piece from here. Okay, I see it. So we did not retrieve this piece. Come on, come on, come on. All right. This piece kind of fell out when it wasn't supposed to. So we're going to go ahead and get it back in here. So that it fills that gap in. I think this is the way. And then this all goes on to here. Okay, so we have it all stuck down. Like I said, so this here slides into here, like that. So it kind of looks like a coffee mug now, right? And I'm going to go ahead and put this on the front. My glue is running out. And just line it up to the correct width. We have that there. So coming along nicely. And again, you stick your card in here in the slots, you slip it in here. And you got that. Now I had cut this out earlier. I think we've got enough of those hearts. I'm actually going to put, these are from the Dollar Tree. Gosh, I've had them maybe 2 years or so now. They kind of take a while before they get used. So instead of putting this here that came with the die cut, I'm going to go ahead and put a heart on there. Let me see how the red one will look actually. Even though there is no red in here. The red doesn't really fit in. So I'm going to do just the, maybe I just put it in the middle. How about that? That might be just. Okay guys, I don't even know what to say. It looks like my video just stopped. And it stopped just before I attached the heart and I put the bling on there. So this is how it ended up. I glued the heart down and then I just put the gemstones. I had these gemstones and I attached 3 of them in there just to give it a little bit of spark and oomph. but this is the end product. Like I said, you know, you put your gift card in here, you slip this bad boy in, and you've got yourself a gift card. And I was showing that I'd also done one for during the Christmas season, very similar. And it's really a quick and easy thing to do, especially if you're low on time, you want to add something to your card, and you want to give them a little gift card, and you can make this here. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and share. And if you haven't already subscribed, just go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification button. And all these things help my channel to go forward and to grow. I appreciate you all very much. You can also find me on KaiyuniKreations.com, Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, and of course, Facebook. And until next time, thank you for staying the entire video. But until then, I want you all to have a blessed day. Bye.